citizen journalist Chang Lian, and I'm at the Komta building right now. At the back here you can see it's a group of villagers from Kampung Buah Pala and a pressman. There is a little bit of problem right now because according to an earlier agreement, that's what the politician says, the Chief Minister, Lim Guan Eng, is only willing to meet with the villagers. But unfortunately, when they arrived here this morning with their legal advisor, Mr. Darshan Singh, there was a bit of problem because the Chief Minister stated that he only wants to see the villagers. But Mr. Darshan Singh said that they are not going to see the Chief Minister without their legal advisors. So right now, the adun for Seri Delima, Wadi Raya, has gone up to negotiate with the Chief Minister whether these 5 villagers can go up and meet the Chief Minister with their legal advisors. So we shall see about that.
Is there a representative to accept the
memorandum?
Only this lah.
If they don't want to meet us, we'll give this and we'll go back. And the
this Mr. Raya, can hand over this to Mr. Raya?
And the 3 documents.
Yes, Mr. Raya, you please accept this. This from the residents.
Can I have your name? I didn't get it earlier. Your name?
I just get it from residents. It's okay. I'm not here for anything. I'm
But
just a normal lawyer. I'm not a politician.
I knew your
When I
name.
heard about the villagers, when I came down and I found out all this,
As a matter of formality,
my friends, villagers told me
I
things
just need a
here
name.
was under control. Why? The Pakatan was there. Mr. Raya is there. Adun of our place. MP, Mr. Karpal. 2 prominent lawyers in Penang who are protecting their rights.
So I just need your name because
What
unless
happened?
I have a name, I cannot publish your video. So can I have your name?
Okay, please, just take it. Take the evidence. You don't have to take me. You take the evidence.
No, when I call
you can do a
someone,
land
I have to
search
have the
to verify
person's name.
whether the title is genuine or not. This is a court document file.
Because in order for me to publish a video, I have
You
to
are
know
journalist. You are journalist.
Yes, I'm a citizen journalist.
So you can
and
do
I need a
something.
name unless I have a name. So I want to very much to share.
My name is Indran.
You are a lawyer as a supporter of
No,
the village.
he's the resident of the village.
I'm a resident of Bukit Gulgor. I knew the village for 30 years.
Resident of Bukit Gulgor and not Kampung Buah Pala lah.
Lengkok bawah is
I studied in Sekolah Rendah Kebangsaan Bukit Gulgor. This village is part of the heritage around there. It's been there for so long. 30 years when BN was ruling, we didn't have, the land was still there for the people. But 27 March 2008, how did this happen?
Some party that want us to lose, then I don't know. And now this is actually also trying to divide and rule. They want to see the president first. Then our decision is the PI committee, the resident one or don't, we don't know, plus legal advisor. Under Article 5.3 of the Federal Constitution, a party is entitled to consult and be represented by a legal advisor. Why are they? They are professors and lawyers. And why is it they want to see the layman without their
There was some confusion the other day when you were here for the press conference and Mr. Cecil Rajendra was at Kampung Buah Pala. So that means right now they are still represented by 2 lawyers?
No, Cecil is no more in the picture. He's out totally. Tomorrow is the court case application to set aside the writ of vacant possession. Let's see, so I'll be attending that. I'm on record now with the lawyer.
Yeah.
And when we were here, Ramasamy and Cecil were in the village, knowing we are here. Why didn't they come here? Number 2, I heard P. Ramasamy was giving sweets to the children there. Hello. We are going to give him marbles to play with the children, not sweets. And
now they want to take the lawyers going to meeting.
What?
Now they are...
No, they said first they want to see the president. Then they'll decide whether the committee can come. Then they'll say whether their lawyers can come in or not.
But what is the outcome of the...
Oh no, nothing yet. We're just asking those residents who want to go up.
Only
Sorry, boss.
Okay.
Sorry, boss.
Bagi. Okay, sorry. Okay, shut the door.
Right now, a few of the leaders have gone in to have a negotiation with the Chief Minister, and we are here waiting outside for the press conference, which the Chief Minister will give in about half an hour's time.
appointed in 2006. The Power Council Legal Aid Centre was appointed by all the residents. We have asked Darshan Singh for a warrant to act, to give us a warrant to act from all the residents. Up to now we haven't got it. I did ask him, if you say you're acting for residents, give us a warrant to act in writing, which the Legal Aid Centre has got. You see? And until today he has not given us.
So now you are still committed to the residents?
We are committed to the residents. Of course, we've always been committed to residents. That's the reason why we have been trying to stop the demolition of houses by referring the 116 to the court.
So when is the last time you communicated with the residents?
Yesterday.
With the residents,
Sukumaran a couple of days ago. But you remember, it is not just one resident, there are 300 residents there, you know. Some of them are communicating with Darshan Singh, some of them with us. But Darshan Singh wants to take over the matter. He's quite happy. We are quite happy. Let me do so. Give us a warrant act. But we've got every household who give us a warrant act in writing. So I've asked Darshan Singh, so you are saying to take over the matter, fine, take over the matter and see what you can do. But give us a thing so that we know that you're acting for all the residents, not just 2 or 3 residents or 4 or 5 residents. This is it. This is on vacant possession, right? 116 means this is on alienated land. Now, this land was alienated, no, not sold. Alienated is a different thing. Section 116 of the National Land Code says any building standing on alienated land, before you demolish it or alter it, you have to get state consent, because this was to protect government buildings on alienated land, like maybe the governor's building or government quarters and so on, or heritage buildings. So this section is in the National Land Code. It's part of the law, and that's why we asked: has the developers got state consent? They need state consent to demolish buildings. So even if everybody moves out, they have to still get consent to demolish their buildings. And if they don't demolish their buildings, they can't build anything there. You understand?
But if they still need to move up, isn't it? The residents still need to move up before trade.
Under the federal, unless there's a stay, under the federal court decision, yes, they have to give vacant possession, right? So this actually is a technical thing about demolition of standing structures on alienated land.
It's basically a delay tactic at the end of the day.
It's not delay tactic, but you can't go and break the law. National Land Code says, you can have a check it out. National Land Code says, here's the National Land Code. I'll read the section to you, so you'll all know the National Code.
Only the
116 of the National Land Code, right? I'll read back slowly. Where any alienated land is subject by virtue of any provision of this Act to the category building, this is land, the following implied conditions are subject to subsection 3 apply thereto. And C and D, that every building thereon, whensoever erected, whenever it is erected, shall be maintained in repair. And D says that no such building shall be demolished, altered or extended without the prior consent in writing of the appropriate authority. This is state consent. So if you want to go and bring bulldozers in, get the state consent before you knock houses down. That's what you say.
Mr. Cecil, does it mean that the state government can refuse to give consent whenever?
What is the penalty?
I mean, that's the dilemma. This question has never risen before. Because this is very strange, unique position. There are 2 different, one gives the land and another one is approval of the thing, It's very unique in the country. I've never seen this before. And that's why we are invoking that and asking the land administrator to refer this question to the High Court.
What is the penalty, Mr. Cecil, if they go ahead and demolish the buildings?
They're breaking the law. It's
what is the penalty against the developer?
But this is the law. I don't know what the penalties are, but this is the law. You're like breaking the law. If you go and rob someone or and demolish somebody's house without any permission. So this is not something that we have made up or concocted or anything. It's not a small rule. This is the National Land Code. This is law. That's what we are saying.